Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about reading techniques, skimming and scanning. So let's get started. These are basically very two well-known reading techniques that everyone must know while reading a comprehension. Alright, you can apply these techniques and you can easily comprehend any reading comprehension. So start from the very beginning. Definition of skimming. So it is quickly identify main idea of a text. Alright, and skimming is 3 to 4 times faster than regular reading. Alright, because you have to quickly identify main ideas, not read the whole text. And other definitions include a lot of materials is available there, but we have limited time. In many exams, you have limited time to read a long comprehensive comprehension, but and attempt question within a limited span of time. So at that case you can use skimming and very easily attempt. All right, so what you have to do, you have to skip the details and then quickly identify the main points and searching for the main points. And it's a very speed reading. You just not read the entire passage, but you skim through and identify the main ideas. And now we'll see how to skim a text or a reading comprehension. So the main idea is expressed in the first passage or the last para. All right, the first para, which include the thesis statement, which is the whole crux of the passage, and it include the topic sentence as well. So read the first and last para, which contain the main idea. So you get the main idea after reading first paragraph. All right, and read the heading, subheading, titles, subtitles, and dates, illustrations, and all of these. All right, not the minor details. And read the first sentence of every para, which is the topic sentence, which is the main idea. And then skimming works well with dates, names, and places. And then notice any pictures, chart, graphs, or any visualize information or bold-faced words or phrases to skim through, because main idea is expressed through them. And now we'll see, while skimming, we have to, what are the things we have to keep in mind? Look at the table of contents, title page, introduction, index, illustration, summary, chapter headings, and then author's biography, copyright dates, and all of these. Just go through all of these details, search for them, and you get the main idea. Alright, skimming works in that way. And example of skimming include the newspaper. So in newspaper, you do not read the whole newspaper, the entire newspaper. You just read the headings, the bulletins. Okay, quickly get the general news of the day, and it's an overview. And magazines, to quickly discover which articles you like. You just read the headings and subheadings, the titles, and then business and travelogue brochures to quickly get the inform. All right, and then we'll see scanning, what scanning is, which is another reading technique. Okay, so as the name indicate that scanning, okay, it's a reading technique to be used when you want to find a specific information. Okay, as you saw in your computer, when you search for a specific folder or file, it undergo a process of scanning, it's search. All right, so basically you can better relate it with this. Scanning is a technique used when you find a specific info quickly. Okay, and in scanning you have a question in your mind and you read a passage only to find the answer and then ignoring unrelated information. You know that in exams you are given a reading comprehension and then you have to apply, you have to answer the questions given within a limited time. In that time you have to just search for the answers, not go in detail and unrelated information. An example of scanning include and a Google search, okay, when you want something, you browse on internet and search a Google search, and then a business or airplane schedule, and then if you search a meaning of word in a dictionary, and you just find a telephone number, all right, among a list. So in this way scanning is applied there. And now we'll see scanning get only what you need. All right, you just scan for search for the information what you need it, and it is rapidly running your eyes over the text in order to look at specific information. And 3 steps to scanning include search for keywords, all right, the title, subtitles, the keywords used, and move quickly over the page, not reading it, just a glimpse, all right, and less reading and more searching. This is how it works. And now we'll see what is scanning and what for, where we use this technique. It's a reading technique, it's a quick reading, and it's a glimpse or eye over text, and it covers a great deal of materials. And you search for specific information such as name, dates, and many more, and answer a specific question. All right, and what do we scan? We scan for telephone number, newspaper article, and names, tickets, or search for a particular recipe. All right, and now we'll see while scanning what we have to look at. We have to look at the table of contents, the title page, the copyright date and chapter heading and subheadings, index, illustrations, summaries, and author's bio. All right, and now we'll see how to scan a text. So what we have to do, we have to state the specific information you are looking for, and then trying to anticipate means infer, okay, anticipate, infer, a guess, a conjecture, okay, how the answer will appear and what clues you might use to help you look at the answer. For example, if you were looking for a certain date, you would quickly read the para looking only for numbers, and use headings and any other aids, okay, that will help you identify which section might you are looking for and the information is. All right, and selectively read, it's a selective reading. You do not read the entire passage, you just search for specific information and skip through sections. All right, and now we'll compare skimming and scanning. What is the similarity, what is the difference? All right, skimming, it's a fast reading, and scanning is a reading technique used when you want to look at a single fact or a specific information. And then we'll see skimming, uh, get an idea, not all the details. And then in scanning, you just search for specific information without reading every word. For example, you scan a TV listing in a paper to find the time of the show, or phone dictionary when you want to see a show. All right, and then skimming, you just must leave out the parts, and many leave out one second or third, fourth para once you have the main idea of the para. And skimming, it's a comprehension is, in skimming the comprehension is lower. Try to comprehend as much as you can while reading at average speed, and you comprehend 50% of what you are reading. All right, it's twice as much as fast. And scanning is concerned, it must be accurate in terms of finding a specific info, such as a TV show or phone number, and it's often done with a material that you know something about. All right, and then skimming usually done with a material you know nothing about. And you have to note that the speed increases, comprehension decreases. All right, and then scanning telephone dictionary, you already know the name of person, but you search. All right, what else you know? So this is all about skimming and scanning. Hope you understand. The notes are in the description, link is given. Thank you for watching.